Good morning students. Today we will be seeing about histogram processing. Myself Sushmita, Assistant Professor ECE Department. So in this session we will be seeing about what is histogram, how it is processed and what is histogram equalization as well as histogram math. Okay, so first we have to know what is histogram and why we are going for this process called as histogram. Okay, so histogram is nothing but it is a plot that shows how many times frequency each intensity value in an image occurs. So in for an example you can see that we have taken an image for as an consideration and we are having 256 distinct gray levels with 8 bits. Okay, so it is represented in the form of graphs. Okay, so similarly we are taking a histogram of image size with a pixel level 64 cross 64 and it is then we are processing that image to find out the number of gray levels. That is, gray level is nothing but the zeros and ones that is present in image. Okay, so different images can have same histograms. Okay, so histogram, what we have to do is first of all we have to take an image, we have to note down the grayscale of that particular image, and the range of the histogram can vary from 0 to L minus 1, and each of 8-bit grace level is noted. And how we have to calculate is we have to just calculate by noting down the gray level using the formula L is equal to 2 power n. So n is nothing but the number of gray level in an image. So here for example I am taken as my gray level as 8. So 2 power 8, that is 256. So next we have to note down is image contrast. So image contrast in the sense we have to note down both the high contrast as well as the low contrast values. So in high contrast how many distinct intensity values are present, that is the thing you have to note. And then in low contrast image uses a few intensity levels. Okay, so in order to note the contrast we have to note down both the high level as well as the low levels in an image. So if for example you can see in an image, so we have taken two images. Okay, so we are now plotting by using the histogram. So the main thing in histogram processing is before processing an image by using histogram equalization, while you take that particular image and plot in case of zeros and ones, so you will be getting an uneven distribution. Okay, so there may be one present at the rightmost corner and 0 present at the leftmost corner, so there is an uneven distribution. So the output image will be a blurred image or a darkened image or a sharpened image. Okay, so but in case of histogram equalization the output that we are obtaining will be an evenly distributed image. Okay, the gray level zeros and ones will be evenly distributed and then clear cut of an out image can be. Okay, so for histogram processing we are having certain functions. So we will be having some discrete function, that is h of rk is equal to nk, where rk is the kth intensity value and nk is the number of pixel with f with the intensity rk. So normalizing the histogram in common practice, we will be dividing the components by total number of pixels that is present in an image. Okay, so after that we have to assume as an n cross n image that yields which is equal to p of rk is equal to nk by mn. Okay, so the k value can be ranging from 0 to L minus 1, where P of Rk is the estimate of probability of occurrence of intensity level Rk in image. So from the probability that we have obtained, we can know that the image is normalized if the probability obtained is equal. Okay, so next we will be seeing about the uses of histogram processing. Okay, so by using histogram we can enhance the image statics is improved, compression of an image can be done, segmentation and an image can be done. Okay, and also they can be easily implemented in any software. Okay, but in case of hardware implementation also we can implement by using very simple techniques. Okay, just we have to plot the functions for all values of k that is obtained from the image. Okay students, thank you.